clean energy technology deployment has grown rapidly in the last few years, and its market value is now about $1 trillion. And this is a testament to the innovation in the last several years. Innovation of these technologies mean countries, governments have more instruments in their hands to address the challenges they are facing, ranging from energy security to reducing the emissions, from competitiveness to affordability.
Economic growth doesn't happen automatically. It requires innovation. Innovation that's continually disrupting the economic order, creating new products, new processes that render old ones obsolete. This is especially true in the energy sector. We've made tremendous progress in recent years coming up with new ways of producing, storing, distributing electricity, and doing it safely and economically.
India recognizes that energy innovation is central to its future competitiveness as a means of accelerating progress and staying at the forefront of change.
When we look at today, we see that many technologies such as solar PV, advanced nuclear, or advanced geothermal are mature and competitive. Many are in line to be competitive and mature in the next years to come.
We need to consolidate solutions for hard-to-abate industrial sectors, such as cement, steel, glass, and ceramics. More research is required in the renewable fuels, including hydrogen and the development of sustainable aviation fuel.
There's no shortage of solutions that can reshape our energy system, from geothermal and long-duration storage to critical minerals and carbon removal.
To help India meet its growing energy demands cleanly and affordably, we are investing in cutting-edge sustainable technologies, including AI and new renewable energy sources.
The challenge isn't invention, it's deployment. Going from pilot to scale-up often carries too much risk for markets to carry alone. The real unlock happens when governments, industry, and finance step in together, often across borders, using catalytic capital to enable first-of-a-kind projects.
Octavia is the global South's first and Africa's first direct air capture company. Developing and deploying deep climate tech in Africa and Kenya more specifically is incredibly difficult. We have to recognize the constraints that we face, and one of them is lack of patient capital, complex logistics, and just lack of infrastructure needed for R&D and manufacturing. And it's important that we acknowledge these constraints to be able to build and deploy machines that work in the Kenyan context. What's interesting is that these constraints breed innovation. We can't quite replicate what works in the global north here in Kenya, and vice versa, really.
The IEA has been instrumental in fostering these technologies. We need to continue the progress if we're going to continue to prosper in the face of challenges from climate change and from the increasing energy intensity of new technologies.
Now, international partnerships are essential to success in terms of access to finance, access to global markets, and access to recognition. Now, at Octavia, we have a couple of really important international partnerships that have helped us evolve and innovate to be able to reach the position that we are in today.
And the IEA creates trusted space when coordination counts. At NorthX, we use the IEA Energy Innovation Forum in Toronto to announce investments and initiatives ready to scale.
The role of the International Energy Agency in general, and specifically the role of the International Energy Agency's Technology Collaboration Program, is of the utmost importance.
The IEA Technology Collaboration Program was launched in 1975 to accelerate energy research and bring new technologies to the market. Nearly 40 collaborative initiatives are currently active, covering virtually every facet of energy technology, from renewables and smart grids to carbon capture and next-generation fuels. Building on this legacy, as of 2026, the IEA will be hosting the Secretariat of Mission Innovation, further accelerating clean energy innovation and cooperation worldwide.
I hope this forum, like the previous ones, will be successful and provide optimism to all of us in these difficult days of the energy sector.